Leo and Max were going home.
Well, Max, are you ready to head inside?
Not yet. This is the best part.
Welcome to the hidden library, Max. A whole world of stories awaits us. Leo, look. A secret door. A door in the park?
Maybe there are snacks.
Max, look at this place!
It's incredible, Leo. They went down. Wow! A magic library.
This place is amazing!
Something is moving.
Whoa! Incredible! Hello?
A flying owl.
My name is Ollie.
The book can talk?
Welcome to the secret magic library. Do you have food books?
Maybe.
This is where words come alive. Go ahead, touch them.
Whoa!
Correct!
It is beautiful.
A-P-P-L-E.
That was easy. Welcome to the number room, Max. Look at how they glow. Whoa, they're everywhere. Are they magic? What is 5 plus 3?
8.
Cookies.
Not cookies.
Correct. the animals, Leo!
Incredible, Max. A whole new world to learn about.
Which animal is the fastest?
Rabbit.
Wait! The cheetah is fastest. You solved it!
A treasure room. A treasure room.
Look at the treasure!
What is inside? Are you ready to see what the Book of Knowledge holds, Max?
I am! Whoa, that's bright. You did very well. Can we come back?
Only brave learners may return.
Can I bring snacks?
Time to go home. Time to go home.
We learned many things. And I found snacks.